In knowledge representation in artificial intelligence, mental events and mental objects refer to concepts related to cognition, perception, and mental states. These concepts are essential for modeling human-like intelligence and understanding the internal processes of intelligent systems. Here's how they are represented. 1. Mental events. Mental events represent cognitive processes, perceptions, thoughts, and mental activities that occur within an intelligent system. These events include activities such as reasoning, decision-making, learning, memory retrieval, perception, and problem-solving. Representing mental events involves describing the underlying processes, inputs, outputs, and interactions within the system's cognitive architecture. 2. Mental objects. Mental objects represent entities, concepts, knowledge structures, or mental representations that exist within the cognitive domain of an intelligent system. These objects can include concepts, beliefs, desires, goals, intentions, perceptions, memories, mental models, and representations of the external world. Representing mental objects involves capturing their attributes, relationships, and interactions within the system's internal knowledge base. In AI, modeling mental events and objects enables systems to simulate human-like cognitive processes, understand user intentions and preferences, interpret complex stimuli, learn from experience, and adapt to changing environments. By representing these aspects of cognition, AI systems can exhibit more sophisticated behaviors, interact more naturally with users, and achieve higher levels of intelligence.